What do YouTube? My name is Arthur, and in this video I'm going to show you how exactly I find triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities on Bybit, and of course we're going to do some live trades whereby I'm going to show you how exactly you can take advantage of these triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities after scanning using triangular crypto arbitrage scanner. So without any further ado, guys, let's jump right into it without wasting any time. So I already put my scanner right here, so I'm just going to go ahead and put my markets, the amount, and the number of opportunities that I want to see after scanning, you know what I mean. And these are for auto trading, and the video for auto trading is coming out tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe and leave a like button so that you won't miss out anything, as we're going to be uploading more triangular crypto arbitrage videos on this channel. So let's just jump right into it without wasting any time. Right here I'm just gonna go ahead and put my market. So you already know that USDT has got a lot of pairs, so I'm gonna scan for USDT opportunities. All right, as you already know that Bybit has got Bitcoin pairs, USDT pairs, and USDC pairs, right? So in this video we're gonna go for USDT because USDT has got a lot of pairs, you know what I mean. So let's just scan for USDT. Right here we're gonna type our market, which is USDT like this, right? And right here we have to put the amount that you want to trade with. So you already know that minimum amount should be at least 50 USD. You know, if you go lower than that, obviously you're not gonna be able to make you know, reasonable profits and stuff like that. So it's better to use at least 50 USD going upwards, you know what I mean, because this is a percentage game. Let's say an opportunity has got 2% in profit, you know what I mean, or let's say an opportunity has got like 4% in profit. You know, you wanna make reasonable profits. Let's say if you're trading with $50, you know, you're gonna make 4% or $50. But let's say you're trading with, like, you know, 20 USD, and then you make 4% out of 20 USD. I mean, it's still a profit, but that's like small amount, you know what I mean. So that's the reason why I always recommend to use $50 going upwards and stuff like that. So in this case right here, we're just gonna use at least 100 USD, and right here we want to see the top 7 triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities that are available on Bybit crypto exchange, and the rest we're just going to leave it blank like this because this is for auto trading, you know what I mean. So we're just going to leave all these things blank like this. And of course right here, make sure that you disable auto trading feature right here. It should not be enabled, you know what I mean. So once you do with this and stuff like that, we're just going to go ahead and click apply. You know what I mean. So it's just gonna scan for triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities, and when it's done scanning, it's gonna show us the top triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities that are available on Bybit. Then after that, we're gonna jump into my phone, and then we're gonna do some live trades whereby I'm gonna show you anything and how we make profits and stuff like that. Already, so you can see right now we have some of these opportunities right here from Bybit exchange, and first one being USDT to USDC, and followed by USDT. Now I don't like these stable coins, to be honest. Second one is USDT to BTC, then so BTC to Litecoin. Seems like there's a lot of opportunities on Litecoin today, so I guess we're just gonna take this one right here. So we're gonna need some USDT in our wallet, and then we're gonna sell, and then we're gonna buy some BTC using USDT, and then so swap that BTC to Litecoin, and then sell the Litecoin to USDT, and this is the percent you're gonna make, at least 8% and stuff like that. And also you can see the bunch of all these opportunities right here. We can also take advantage of this as well. So you already know that we have at least, you know, 6 minutes going upwards to take advantage of these opportunities. We can just select which opportunity do we want. So I think we're just gonna take a second one right here because it's also like 8%, and we're just gonna go ahead to Bybit, and then we do this triangular crypto arbitrage fast, and then I'm going to record my screen, and then I'm going to show you how our triangular crypto arbitrage is done. And if you enjoy this kind of videos, guys, make sure you subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm as we keep on pushing. We're on the way to 50,000 subscribers, so let's get right into it. All right, so now we are in my phone, so we're just gonna go ahead and do the trade right now as I'm recording this video. So you can see my balance is currently 100 US dollars, and this is the amount that we put on the scanner to find triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. So we're just gonna go to trade right here and look for USDT to BTC, because it says first we have to swap BTC to USDT, right? So we're gonna buy 100% of our available balance that we have right here. Let's just do this, right? Let's click buy here. Let's put an order. Order has been filled already. Now we have BTC worth 100 US dollars. So we're just gonna go to BTC to Litecoin. All right, let's search BTC to Litecoin. BTC like this. We have to look BTC to Litecoin, or let's just go to BTC pairs right here and look for BTC to Litecoin right here. BTC to Litecoin. So as you can see, BTC to Litecoin has gone up by 3%, and that's why also a reason why we found that arbitrage opportunity, right? So we're just gonna go ahead and spend the whole available balance that we have right here. Let's just use a market order like this so I can go through immediately, right? Let's click buy, boom. Now we have some Litecoin, as you can see right here. All right, so now we're gonna go to Litecoin to USDT, LTC to USDT right here, and then we're just gonna sell the whole available Litecoin that we have right here to USDT. So we're just gonna go ahead and swap to 100% and sell the whole available Litecoin that we have to USDT, right? So let's see how much money we made. Refresh, boom, 108. So we started with 100 USD. Now you can see that we successfully made at least $8 US,79, right? So this is how simple triangular crypto arbitrage is done. And yeah, you can also see on my wallet, you can see that we made some profits right here, over 9 USD and stuff like that. So this is how triangular crypto arbitrage is done, guys, and it's very simple. Everyone can do it, and the link to the scanner is going to be in the description below as well, or you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online to get the scanner, and it's going to be really worth it and stuff like that. And it's good for beginners. Instead of doing futures trading or derivatives and stuff like that, with triangular crypto arbitrage, it's going to be very simple. You have to do is to swap these coins and take advantage of price difference and make some profits. So this is, my name is Arthur, guys. I'm signing out. Therefore, send the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.